Okay, we are in an entertainment suite on the villa level at Resorts World Las Vegas. Coming into the room, as soon as you come in, you have this nice little area over here. You can put down your things. There's a couple of lamps, one on either side, and some nice art right there in the middle. Looks very nice. And you have this lovely full-size mirror, so you can check yourself out from head to toe before heading on out. Over here is the living area. You got yourself a nice couch, you got some couple of chairs, you've got this little table in the middle, this little vase thing, and this level that we are on right now is villa level, which means it's by the pools, so this is a lower level, but in this one we have a view of Circus, the Stratosphere, a few other properties out in that general direction, and over there as well. And right here in the middle is the table. You got some nice designs going on here, you got this nice little bowl, some magazines, and of course a complimentary milk chocolate bar from Crockfords. Right over here is your TV, and you got your storage underneath it, a couple of nice vases, and you're going to find a lot of these buttons throughout the room. It's going to be for your drapes and for your shears. Privacy just puts a little light on outside to let people know do not knock, and living room will just turn everything, your lights on and off up there. Look at that ceiling though, isn't that lovely? And it goes up beyond that. We were joking around earlier that it would be a nice place for 15 to 20 foot Christmas tree would go just be lovely right in that area. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom. The bedroom is as you would expect at the Crockfords level. Nice colors, nice subdued tones in here. You're going to see some of these in the lobby as well as you will in your room. These polygonal 3D things, always nice. And you have your remote over there, JBL speaker, and of course your television. Nice floor lamp over here in the corner. You got a chaise lounge with a little table, so if you're just chilling out, maybe you're gonna snack on something or whatever, you know, get some work done, got a little table for it right over there. Here's the rest of that view. And as we turn around, here is the bed area. You've got your phone right over here. You've got a charger and alarm clock right there. Notepad, end tables, and this is your bed. Looks very nice. And also over here you have another end table, and right over here you'll notice that there are outlets, and on both sides the outlets are above the end table, so that way you don't have to dive behind anything, and of course more control switches. Let's go ahead and step into the bathroom. You start off with a nice lovely soaking tub right here in the middle, and it's going to have a bunch of amenities over there inside, your shampoo, your lotion, conditioner, soaps, things of that nature. And there are two sinks, one over here and one over here. So if you're here as a couple or have a guest or whatever the case is, each of you will have a sink. We turn around over here, you're going to see the shower area. The shower area also has a bench in it, and of course more amenities. Very nice. This is your changing area next to your double-doored closet, and it'll put a place to sit while you're getting ready. And we're going to go to the other side towards the, call it the toilet room. The cool thing about this toilet is that once you're in front of it, it is ready to greet you. There it is. And it also has this control right here, which will does a bidet, so it'll wash, it'll dry, it'll even massage, as I understand it. So there's a lot of things going on here. So yeah, you got that. Your TP, of course, wastebasket. And that's it for the bathroom. Now we're going to head on over to the other side of the suite, where we have CEO and founder of TravelZork, Michael Traeger, working away. Very busy man he is. And as you can see, he's making full use of this desk. It's got a lovely little light. It's got a phone over there. Nice little sculpture, little art piece, and a nice little mat to put your laptop and stuff. Coming over here, this dining area is very nice. You can see it's accented by this wonderful chandelier lit from above and coming on down. And you have this wonderful table here. It's round and it has big marble lazy Susan in the middle. You might have seen these at some upscale Asian restaurants, and you get one of these in this suite. So you can have a bunch of friends over and have some great food, great company, have this wonderful lazy Susans to just sort of move things around. It's very nice. Over here we have the kitchen and the bar area. The bar area's got 3 seats and some marble decor over here. And then of course over here you're going to have your ice bucket, a set of glasses, complimentary water. Here is your sink. And then over here you have your coffee/tea cups, coffee maker, and then you have some stuff there, Fiji water, stuff like that. Of course, all those things with this sign here will come at a charge. Down here, what they've done is very cool. They do have a stocked fridge if you feel like, you know, getting something out of the stocked fridge, but right next to it is an empty fridge for your stuff that you want to put in there, so you don't have to feel obligated to use anything else.
There's another fridge here too.
Oh.
I totally forgot about that. Is that crazy?
This is another, wow. I thought it was.
To interrupt.
Oh no, it's fine. I thought this was more storage, but okay. Look at that, temperature controlled. Nice little fridge you got going on there. Very nice.
Yeah, what we do with
That's
rooms
impressive.
is-
Wow. So now you have 2. You have 2. You have a big fridge, and I guess you could get your own empty beverage fridge. And there's also an additional bathroom in here if you have a guest staying over, and you don't exactly want to share your own bathroom. Give them the guest bathroom. But it's not bad. It's very nice in here. Has good sound. Again, the marble is all over the place. These cute little lamps over here. There's your toilet area. It's a standard toilet. It's not going to be as fancy as the robotic one, but you know, like any toilet, it'll get the job done. And coming back over here, we're just going to end it with the view of what we have from the dining area. And we have, as we said before, we have some of the parking lot, but we also have Circus, Turnberry, the Stratosphere, you know, and pieces of Resorts World as well. So there you go. Hope you're enjoying this tour of the entertainment suite in the villa level at Crockfords, Las Vegas.